You're in Pakistan, making great content, but TikTok's best monetization features aren't available here. It's like being at a party but stuck outside unless you know the side entrance, a UK SIM card. With a UK SIM, you can set up a UK-based TikTok account right from Pakistan, unlocking features like going live, receiving gifts, and joining the Creator Fund. Plus, your content can reach a global audience, opening doors to new fans and brand deals. This isn't cheating, it's about leveling the playing field and getting the recognition you deserve. Ready to start? Let's walk through every step, from getting your UK SIM to cashing out your first earnings. First, get a UK SIM card, no need to travel. Just order from trusted sites like paktel.pk. Once it arrives, swap it into your phone and restart. Turn off any VPN, open TikTok and sign up with an email, not Google or Facebook. Use your UK SIM number for verification and you've got a UK-based account. Make your profile look authentic. Pick a catchy username, write a solid bio and upload a great photo. Follow a few UK creators and engage with UK trends to blend in. Take your time. This setup is your foundation for global success. Now, you're ready to start building your audience. To go live, you need 1,000 followers, totally doable with the right approach. Post 2-3 high-quality videos daily, focusing on what's trending in the UK. Mix English and Urdu if you like, but keep it authentic and engaging. Reply to comments and interact with your viewers to build loyalty. Engage with other creators in your niche. Thoughtful comments can drive traffic to your profile. Growth takes time, so stay patient and persistent. Focus on content you enjoy. Your passion will attract the right audience. Hit 1,000 followers and the Go Live button is yours. With 1,000 followers, you can go live and start earning through virtual gifts. Host interactive streams, quandas, challenges, or just chatting to encourage gifting. Gifts convert to diamonds, which you can cash out via a UK PayPal account. Once you hit 10,000 followers and 100,000 views in 30 days, apply for the Creator Fund for even more earnings. Apply through TikTok Studio and combine this with brand deals and affiliate marketing for multiple income streams. You're not just a creator now, you're a digital entrepreneur. Keep creating, keep growing, and watch your TikTok empire flourish. Your hard work is finally paying off. Don't buy fake followers. TikTok will catch on and hurt your reach. After setup, avoid using VPNs. Just keep the UK SIM in your phone and use your regular internet. Respect Pakistani culture while appealing to a UK audience. Your unique perspective is your strength. Remember, using a UK SIM is a workaround, so always use reputable providers and avoid shady apps. Stay consistent and authentic. Keep up with UK trends but add your own flavor. Engage with your audience and celebrate milestones. TikTok success is a marathon, not a sprint. Focus on genuine connections and safe practices. Now go out there and make some magic happen.